Into 7-Eleven. Yeah, yeah. No, I'm videotaping. Oh, we're walking to 7-Eleven. Yeah, yeah. Look at weird Kendra and Jess. Yeah, yeah. You guys are so weird. I can't get the boat to go. Oh, ooh. Fuzz is. What? Oh, wait. It's okay.
Why are you calling me? You're butt dialing me. Mubbing.
We're walking to 7-Eleven. Yeah, yeah. Oh my goodness. Did you drop my phone?
No, I thought I stepped in poop.
Fuzz stepped in geese poop. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god. We're running, we're running, we're running, we're running. Okay. It's really cold out here. The obstacles in my way. Hey, hey, hey. Who is that? That terrible squeaking car. Oh my god, that sounds terrible. Bye bye, Kendra. Fuzz, Kendra's leaving. Hi, we're videotaping. Say hi.